Okay, good morning, first grade students. Good morning, all of you. Yesterday, what did we discuss the topic in complex numbers that express the given complex numbers in the form of a plus ib. Express the complex numbers in the form of a plus ib. The given any type of complex numbers, multiply two complex numbers into two complex numbers plus two complex numbers minus. This type of complex numbers, convert into a plus iv form. Convert into a plus iv form. So the next topic is very important topic, multiplicative inverse. The given complex numbers, find the multiplicative inverse of the given complex numbers. Multiplicative inverse. Already multiplicative inverse 1 by z1, z1 by z2 already discussed the topic. So find the multiplicative inverse of the given complex number. Find the multiplicative inverse of complex numbers. So first one, 4 minus 3i. 4 minus 3i. That is equal to 4 minus 3i into rationalization. You know rationalization? 4 minus 3i is given 4 plus 3i. Divide and multiply. This is called rationalization. This is called rationalization. So, okay, what is the multiplicative inverse of z? The multiplicative inverse of z is 1 by z2. The multiplicative inverse of z is 1 by z. The additive inverse, multiplicative inverse of z is 1 by z2. Additive inverse of z is minus z. Additive inverse of z is minus z. So 1 by 4 plus 3i. So in the denominator, denominator, there is no items. Okay, don't keep the items. Okay, don't keep items. So rationalization, 4 minus 3i by 4 minus 3i. Rationalization means 4 plus is converted to minus. Here plus is given, rationalization number minus. Okay, so that is equal to 4 minus 3i by a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So a square minus b square 3i whole square. So that is equal to 4 minus 3i by 4 square 16 minus 9i square. I square value minus 1. I square is equal to minus 1. So that is equal to 4 minus 3i by 25. 4 minus 3i by 25. So that is equal to 4 minus 3i. 4 minus 3i means 1 by 4 minus 3i this is 4 plus same plus 25. Okay, what is the once again the multiplicative inverse of z is 1 by z. 1 by z. ಈ 1 by z ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಐ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸು ಇರಬಾರದು. ಐ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸು ಮೈನಸ್ಸು, ಐ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸು ರೂಟು, ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸು ಇರಬಾರದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ rationalization, you have to do rationalization. Okay, rationalization 4 plus 3i by, rationalization means what? 4 minus 3i given, this opposite conjugate, this is 4 minus 3i, which number is rationalization? 4 plus 3i by 4 plus 3i, this is one. Okay, next 4 plus 3i by a square plus b square formula 25, that is equal to 4 by 25 plus I into 3 by 25. This is the multiplicative inverse of 4 minus 3i. The multiplicative inverse of 4 minus 3i. ORR formula, the direct formula. Here z is equal to 4 minus 3i. This comparing with a plus ib. Comparing with a plus ib. So here what is a? A is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 3. What is the formula? So the multiplicative inverse of z is formula. What is the formula? A by a square plus b square plus minus b by I into minus b by a square plus b square. A by a square plus b square plus I into minus b by a square plus b square. So what is a? A value, a is equal to, what is a? 4 by root of a square plus b square, 16 plus 9, 25, 4 by 25 plus I into minus b. B is equal to minus 3, so minus b is equal to 3 by 25. This is the direct formula, this is the procedure. The multiplicative inverse of z is 1 by z. The additive inverse of z is minus z. Okay. Next to second problem, one of the second problem, root 5 plus 3i, root 5 plus 3i, the multiplicative inverse. Homework, root 5 plus 3i, homework. What is the answer? Root 5 by a square plus b square, 5 plus 9, 14, for root 5 by 14 plus I into minus 3 by 14, direct answer, without any calculation and without any doing, the direct answer by the formula. Which formula? A square by a square plus b square plus I into minus b by a square plus b square. Okay, this is the homework. Okay, ORR, another method. This is the first method, normal method. This is the formula method. Next, another method. Now what is the problem? ORR, third method, and three methods are there. Third method. What is Z? Z is equal to 4 minus 3i. So the multiplicative inverse of Z is Z bar by mod Z bar whole square. What is the meaning of Z bar? Z bar, conjugate of Z. Z bar means conjugate of Z. This is mod Z means modulus of Z. Okay. What is the conjugate? For example, Z is equal to A plus IB. Z bar is equal to what? A minus IB. Mod Z is equal to root of A square plus B square. This is the formula. Z is equal to A plus IB. Conjugate of Z bar is equal to, changing the only imaginary part sign, and mod Z is equal to root of A square plus B square. So mod Z is equal to what? That is equal to, so that is equal to Z bar is equal to what? 4 plus 3i by mod Z. Mod Z is equal to what? Root of, here what is A? This is A, this is B. So 4 square plus minus 3 whole square, that is equal to 16 plus 9 root 25 is equal to 5. Mod Z. So mod Z whole square is equal to what? 5 square is equal to 25. So 25. All are calculated. So 4 by 25 plus I into 3 by 25. Three methods: direct formula method, conjugate method, or simple normal method. First method is simple normal method. Second one is formula method, direct formula method. Third one is some conjugate modulus method. This one. Okay. You can do any type of method. Okay. This is the 1 mark question, maybe 1 mark question. This is the one type of problem. This one, second one is homework. Next, second problem. Next problem. What is the next problem? Minus I. This is minus I. Minus I is equal to 0 minus 0 plus I into minus 1. Minus I is equal to 0 plus I into minus 1. So A plus IB. This is the form of A plus IB. Here what is A? A is equal to 0. B is equal to minus 1. What is the formula? The multiplicative inverse of, this is taken Z. For example, this is Z. The multiplicative inverse of Z is, what is the formula? A by A square plus B square plus I into minus B by A square plus B square. Okay. So that is equal to A. A is equal to what? 0 by A square, 0 plus 1 no, plus I into minus B. B is equal to minus 1. Minus B is equal to 1 by 0 plus 1. That is equal to, what is I? 1 by 1 no, I into 1 1 no, 0 by anything equal 0. So the multiplicative inverse of Z is IE. This is the answer. Okay. Another one is homework problem. So z is equal to 2 minus 3i. Z is equal to 2 minus 3i is homework. Okay. Okay, next express the following expression. Express the following expression express the following expression in the form of a plus ib, in the form of a plus ib. So very important one. What is one? 3 plus I into root 5, 3 plus I into root 5 into 3 minus I into root 5 by root 3 plus 2 root I by root 3 plus 2 root I minus root 3 minus root 2I, root 3 minus I root 2 is root 2I. This expression express the form of a plus ib and a complex number. This is a complex number. Complex number by complex number, complex number. Complex number into complex number, complex number. Complex number plus complex number, complex number. Complex number minus complex number, complex number. Complex number by complex number, complex number. So this is also complex number. This complex number express into a plus ib, convert into a plus ib formula. Okay, so first here 3 plus I root 5 into 3 minus I root 5. This is a, this is b, a same one. A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square plus b square. So a square is equal to 3 square minus here b square I root 5 whole square. A square minus a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So a is equal to 3, b is equal to I root 5, not root 5. Okay, I root 5. A square minus b square 5. Here expand the brackets. Root 3 plus root 2I minus root 3 minus into minus plus root 2I. Expand the, remove the brackets or expand the brackets. So e plus root 3 minus root 3 cancel. Okay. 3 square is equal to 9 minus I square into root 5 whole square, root x into root x is equal to x. So root 5 into root 5 is equal to 5. So root 5 whole square is equal to 5. Root 5 by root 2i plus root 2i. X plus x is equal to what? 2x. X plus x is equal to 2x. So root 2i take x. Root 2i take x. So x plus x is equal to 2x. So 2 into x root 2i. Same things. Okay. One mango plus another mango. 1 plus 1 equal 2 mangoes. This is root 2i taken 1 mango, or root 2i take 1 mango. Mango plus mango, 2 mangoes. So 2 mangoes. Mango is what? Root 2i. So that is equal to 9 minus I square is equal to minus 1 into 5 by 2 root I. 2 root I. In the denominator, not in their root 2 i's అంటే root 2s root values I values ಈ denominator ಇಂದ ಇರಬಾರದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು rationalization ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So this is root 2i, 9 minus root 2i. This goes to, we have to remove root 2i. We have to remove root 2i. How to remove? Rationalization. So root 2i by root 2i rationalization. So that is equal to 9 minus or minus plus 5, that is equal to 14. Minus into minus plus, so 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. 14 root 2i by 2 root 2 into root 2 x, root x into root x x, root 2 into root 2 2, I into I square, I into I square, I cancel, don't cancel. Okay, so that is equal to 2 ones 2 sevens, 2 ones 2 sevens. So 7 root 2 I, 7 root 2 I by 2 into which one? I square is equal to minus 1. So that is equal to minus 7 root 2 I by 2. Minus 7 root 2 I by 2. So this is only imaginary part. Only imaginary part means what? Real part 0. This one. Okay, this type of problem maximum 2 or 3 marks can come. Okay, root x into root x is equal to x, so root 5 into root 5 equal to 5. So in the denominator there is no means root 2i. The denominator root 2 values, I values, so we remove the root 2 and root values and I values in the denominator. How to remove? Same numbers, rationalization. This is okay. Next 5 plus root 2i by 5 plus root 2i by 1 minus root 2i, 1 minus root 2i. So in the denominator, I values, root values remove from the denominator. How to remove? Rationalization or rationalization. What is the rationalization? Into 5 into this is numerator, denominator. The normal numbers, that not a plus ib, a minus ib. So only root 2i means same numbers we have to divide and multiply. This is the form of a plus ib, a minus ib. A plus ib, a minus ib type of terms. How to remove? This rationalization means what? This is plus means you have to take plus. So 1 plus root 2i. ರೇಷನಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಡೆನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ದು ರೇಷನಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ರೇಷನಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರು ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನು ರೇಷನಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರು ಅಂದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ಸು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ಸು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ಸು, ನೀವು ಮೈನಸ್ಸು ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2ab. ಅಗೈನ್ ದ ಐ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್. ಸೊ reverse, plus means here minus, minus means plus. That is equal to denominator 1 minus root 2i into 1 plus root 2i. So multiply 5 into 1, no 5, multiply is not same. Okay, 5 into 1 5 plus 5 into root 2i, 5 root 2i. Next root 2i into 1, so root 2i, root 2i into 1 root 2i plus root 2 into root 2, 2i into I square, root 2 into root 2, 2i square. So that is equal to 5 root 2i plus 1 root 2i. Root 2i means 1 root 2i. So plus 6 root 2i, 6 root 2i. 2i square, 2 into I square value minus 1, 2 into I square value minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 is equal to minus 2. This is a minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. A square minus b square means what is b? Root 2 into I whole square. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 plus 6 root 2i by 1 minus root 2 whole square is equal to 2 into I square. Root 2 whole square is equal to I square. Or like I square value minus 1, direct step 2. So here 3 common. So 1 plus 2 root 2i. 3 into 1 3, 3 into 2 6 by 1 minus 2 into I square value minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 minus into minus plus. So that is equal to 3 into 1 plus 2 root 2i by 3 cancel. So 1 plus 2 root 2 into I. This is the a plus ib form. So another one, I power minus 35. Second problem, I power minus 35. We have to try. I power minus 35 is equal to 1 by I power 35. 35 converted in terms of any other, okay, this one. So the topic express the a plus ib form. This is the topic for completely multiplicative inverse. These two topics are completed. Tomorrow very important topic, polar representation of a complex number. Compulsory one question, polar representation of a complex number. Okay, thank you. Okay.